Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Update WhatsApp and pick a high bandwidth connection like 5 GHz Wi-Fi or solid 4G/5G. Once done, close background apps and enable Do Not Disturb so CPU and network focus on the call. Make sure your phone camera and microphone permissions are granted. This prevents last-minute permission prompts that drop quality. Position the device at eye level and choose diffuse lighting. These quick steps cut latency and improve video clarity. During the call, keep controls tight. If you can, switch to Wi-Fi calling for steadier throughput and turn off any low data mode that compresses video. Use wired or Bluetooth headphones with a mic to lower echo and let the phone dedicate audio processing correctly. Move closer to the router or ensure a clear line of sight to reduce packet loss. If frame drops occur, temporarily stop screen sharing and background uploads. That gives immediate bandwidth back to the video stream for smoother motion. To finish, end the call cleanly and review recording or screenshots if you captured anything. If the app freezes or quality stays poor, force close WhatsApp and reopen it. If that fails, restart your device to clear network stacks. Make sure to test with a second contact to determine whether the issue is your device, your network, or the other person. If problems persist, toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data. This often identifies or temporarily resolves routing and ISP quality faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.